Must be going down the other road. We got one road over there, other side of the woods, that goes parallel with ours. Okay, what we're going to do now is we're going to take the bottom off of this, put another bottom on. Okay, we're going to change a few things around here on this one. We're going to take this off. Mercy grace. Take that off. This is the bottom. What y'all doing down there? Okay. Take the bottom off. Bottom on. Then we're going to put this here super on. Got some build out frames, got some no build out frames. Some of them are built out. Yes, sir, Mr. Bob.
So I have 4 queens. The hive I got from you
Yeah.
is absolutely going to explode.
I have
It's
great.
probably got 5 frames of brood.
Yep.
Brood on it.
Good bees we have here, you know that.
In the bottom and in the top box, I got brood.
In the bottom and the top?
The bottom and the top. And the drones. I actually saw a drone in the box, but there's a handful of drones that have been laid.
Yeah.
Capped already.
Yeah, well that means that we can start grafting. Because by the time the grafts are ready, and the queen hatches out, those drones will be old enough to mate. Because the drones have to be a certain age.
You don't think it would be too cold to start splitting?
Well, I didn't say splitting, I said grafting. Because you split, you're gonna bust your hives down. If you graft, all you gotta do is remember that snail grove board I told you about that I made?
Right.
Okay, we don't make them anymore. We make a different type bottom board. It's just a board to fit.
Double screen board.
Yeah, the double screen board, and we use it, and that works real good.
Well, I know this hive right here, this double box,
Yeah.
is packed. I really expected everybody to be up top, but it was packed in the bottom and in the top.
Yeah. Well, this one I just changed. Let's look at it. It was a single story 8. It had bees in the top, a lot of bees in the top. Well, it couldn't be none in the bottom, Sam, because it didn't have no box down there. I know, but it's got 2 full frames of honey in there, solid frames of honey, which I'm going to be taking out here soon. But they're in the top so I can get to them. And that way when they start building out these on the bottom, and I can put another box down there and just put that on the top, so they got a super.
Right. Well,
Yeah.
that's, I mean, I'm wondering, one of my frames in my other box is kind of small, don't have that much brood in it. It's got a little bit of brood in it, but it's a small hive, so it doesn't have a lot of bees to keep the queen warm and babies warm.
Yeah.
But it's going to be a late bloomer, I think, but I think it'll do. It's one of the queens I bought, and then my red box in the middle here, it's got a good bit of bees in it. And it's got one of my new queens. So I got your queen, 2 new queens, and then I guess one of the queens out of the nukes that I bought for that guy, which I won't buy for that guy again.
No.
Because his line, 2 of the 3 to 1, extended.
You shouldn't have to buy any more bees or queens.
Well, I still got 4 coming from you.
Yeah.
So that'll give me 8 hives, plus this hive that I got from you last year could probably put 3 times, maybe 4 times.
Probably. Well, see, you
I mean, it's packed.
yeah, well, see, I had to buy the queens because I needed to change my brood line in here a little bit. Because, I've been doing this, 17 years, and I ain't never bought a queen other than the 3 that I bought. And then the one guy I did some trading with, he had some queens, new queens, and they were from my bees anyway. And so I kind of bartered some queens from him. And that was it.
I reckon me and you are far enough apart where we could actually do some queen swaps, probably.
We could, because that's too far for brooding. Hold on a second. Hey, this is Sam, South Carolina Happy Bees. Give us a thumb up, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.